Hello, students! Welcome back to class. So, last class we began talking about parts of the body where we used my friend Lily to talk about the different parts of the body that we see. So let's quickly review. This time we're going to use another friend. We're going to use my friend Mike Kowalski from one of my favorite movies ever called Monsters Inc. This is my friend Mike Kowalski. And Mike Kowalski is a monster. Monster. Can you say monster? Monster. Good. Monster. Okay. So let's look. So really quick, new word here. Eye. Eye. One eye, two eyes. Eyes. Can you say eyes? Good. Eyes. Eyes. Does Lily have... Oh, there's Lily's eye. Yeah. So now I want to know this question that we've answered before. How many? How many? How many eyes do we see? How many eyes do we see? One. We see one eye. Good. We see one eye. Just one. Okay, next up is hands. 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 How many hands do we see? Okay, let's see. We see one hand and two hands. Good. We see two hands. Okay, next we have legs. Remember legs? Legs. Can we count? Let's see. How many legs do we have? There's one leg. And another leg. Two legs. Good. Two legs. And then last but not least, we have some feet. Feet, 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 feet. How many feet do we see? We see one, two. Good. We see 2 feet. 2 feet. Good. Good job, students. Okay. So now we're going to watch a little video. I want us to all stand up. So we stand up, sit, stand. So let's all stand up. And we can dance, and we can sing along to this video. Okay. ABC Candy!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's sing faster.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's sing even faster.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's sing even faster.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's sing even faster. No. That's too fast. Let's slow down.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Yay! So good job, students. We heard head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good. Yeah, I hope you sang and danced along. Okay. So now we're going to play a game. But first, we need to talk about this word touch. So we see here touch. And we can see when we touch something, kind of looks like this. So right now, I'm touching Lily's head. I'm touching her head. Now I'm touching her belly. Touching her belly. Now I'm touching her foot. Touching her foot. Now I'm touching her leg. Touching her leg. And I'm touching her arm. Touching her belly. So touch, touch. Good? Okay. So let's touch our head. Can you touch your head? Good. Touch your head. Yeah, good. Can you touch your face? Good. Touch your face. Good. Can you touch your foot? Can you touch your foot? Good. Can we touch Lily's foot? Lily's foot. Okay, good. So let's play a little game. So the game is teacher says. Teacher, right? Teacher says. We say. Can you say? Teacher says, touch your head. Good. Teacher says, touch your belly. Good. Teacher says, touch your leg. Good. Teacher says, touch your face. Good. Teacher says, touch your arm. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to say, and you're going to touch. Good? Okay. Teacher says, touch your head. Yeah. Teacher says, touch your foot. Teacher says, touch your belly. Teacher says, touch your arm. Yeah. Good. Last one. Teacher says, touch your hand. Good. So let's look with our eyes, right? Our eyes. Eyes. What body parts do we see here? What body parts do we see? Hands? Yeah, we see hands. Good. What else? What else do we see? Arms? Good. We see arms. We see hands. And we see arms. Arms. So, how many body parts do we see? How many? We see hands. We see arms. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 body parts. We see 6 body parts. Good job, students. Great job today. I'm so happy to have you in class. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Can we say goodbye? Can we say goodbye, Miss Christine? Oh, goodbye, students. I'll see you next time. Bye.